Julia Spencer is a real estate investor with over 25 years' experience who owns multiple investment properties. She's a single mother of two who moved to the U.S. in 1993 with only $20 in her pocket. She currently holds an MBA. Julia Spencer is neither a realtor nor an attorney, and the contents of this recording are only her opinions. Get her free guide to investing at juliamspencer.com. I'm your host, Dr. Steve G. Jones, multimillionaire and hypnotherapist. My website is stevegjones.com. Essential Landlord Guide. Module 10, Evictions.
Hello, this is Julia M. Spencer, real estate advisor, investor, and enthusiast. In this particular module, I want to talk a little bit about something more unpleasant on the landlording side. And if you're a landlord for any length of time, and hopefully this is not going to be in your field of things that you have to deal with, but more than likely, if you're a landlord and if you have more than one property, and if you're a real estate investor who handles things themselves, but even if you have property managers, eventually there's going to be a time where you will have to deal with an eviction, or basically have tenants that have not followed the terms of the lease. There is now a breach of contract, and now you will have to evict them. And I wanted to talk in this module a little bit about how that works, what you can expect, some of the things to watch out for, some of the things to do, and some of the things not to do, and also a little bit about what the law says and what your rights are as a landlord, owner, real estate investor. So how does an eviction work? And when do you actually have grounds to evict your tenant? And for this particular purpose, I've actually pulled up one of my big, huge, fat real estate books. It is specific to the state of Georgia. That's where I live. That's where most of my rental properties are. And I kind of read up on it to see a little bit what exactly the law says. And it's very much from what I understood before and what I followed all these years. But I wanted to go ahead and kind of tell you a little bit more specific what it says so that you have that information in your earbuds or wherever you're listening and you have that available to you. But basically, in the state of Georgia, and really any state, if your tenant fails to live up to the terms of the lease agreement, the landlords, you as the real estate investor or the landlord, you have grounds for...
For your free guide to real estate investing, visit juliamspencer.com.